Choose to rent, advancing events through technology.
Connect the NFC reader to the USB charging cable, switch the toggle to Bluetooth and place it into the Lilitab case. Connect the iPad to the charging cable and place it into the Lilitab case. Secure the iPad into the case by sliding in the faceplate towards the NFC reader and clicking it into place. Please follow the NFC reader connection steps from your registration software provider. Do not add as Bluetooth device right away via the iPad settings. Place the iPad inside the case onto the Lilitab stand by aligning the lock and the stand. With the provided key, lock the case onto the desk stand. Adjust the viewing position by tilting the desk stand up and down. Once the iPad is set up and attached to the Lilitab desk stand, your device will be ready for use. Remove the iPad from the enclosure by pressing both faceplate release levers in, while pulling the faceplate up.